Hello viewers, as per the latest leaks and rumors, the next Christmas sale on Flipkart.com will begin on the second week of December. So if you are planning to buy any tablet, you must wait till the Christmas Day sale begin. Now many users are asking me whether they will get discounts on credit cards or not. The answer is yes. Though Flipkart has not specified which cards will be eligible for discount in Christmas sale in Amazon and Flipkart.com, but I think if you are planning to buy from Flipkart.com, in that case, Axis Bank credit card, ICICI Bank credit card, or HDFC Bank credit card can be on offer. Similarly, if you are planning to buy from Amazon.in that case, SBI credit card may be eligible for credit card discounts. Now, if you are planning to buy iPad 11th generation, in that case, Flipkart will be best for purchasing iPad 11th generation. Similarly, if you are planning to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE, in that case, you should buy it from Amazon.in to get the best discounts. The best price for Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE is around 19 to 20,000 rupees. On the other hand, if you are planning to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 AP Plus, in that case for the 128GB variant, the best price would be around 24 to 25,000 rupees maximum, and don't buy above this pricing. But if you are planning to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9, in that case the best site will be Amazon.in to buy that tablet. The best price for Tab S9 would be around 33 to 34,000 rupees. And if you are planning to buy OnePlus Pad 2, in that case the best price would be 28,000 rupees for the 128GB variant and 30,000 rupees maximum for the 256GB variant. And if you want to buy iPad Air M3, in that case the best price would be 42,000 rupees for the 128GB Wi-Fi variant, and the best site would be Amazon.in to buy iPad Air M3. So in the conclusion, you should wait till the Christmas sale begin on Amazon.in and Flipkart.com. I will let you know about the latest deals and offers on tablets, so stay tuned for that video. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.